here is the rub, though. Mr. Dalton's theory assumed that atoms were essentially little spheres, right? And it was an excellent theory. He said, oxygen is so much heavier than hydrogen and a little bit heavier than carbon. And so using math, he and the chemists of his day were able to determine a large portion of what an atom is. But one thing that they did not delve into is what's inside of an atom. Because to them, an atom was just a small, little sphere. But Mr. Thomas, another famous Englishman, said, hold on a second though. I want to test that out because I don't know that atoms are just little balls with nothing inside of it. I bet you that there is something inside of it. And so he set up this really cool experiment where he shone a light from a cathode. You don't need to know what that means just yet. But he shone a light through a magnet. And if atoms were just little balls with nothing inside of them, all of the little atoms should have behaved the same. But they didn't. Some of the atoms, some of the light, when it came out the other side, went up. Some of it went down. Some of it just kept going straight the way that it was supposed to. So the big question there was, if atoms are all the same and all empty, then why do some behave differently than others? And so he said, aha, I bet you they're not empty, and there's something in there that is a particle that is probably negatively charged, and he called that an electron. Okay, follow along in your books on page 46.